Holy shit, it's a fucking beaver.
Fuck yeah. I see a beaver.
Fucking beaver.
Fucking beaver.
Fucking beaver. Whoa.
It's fucking September. What the hell?
Hey guys, you know, it's been a while. It's been a real long while. But we're back. We're back again with Pickleback. You know, our hair, it's gotten a little longer. And we're back to recording. Ain't that right? Holy shit.
I thought I was gonna fucking slip down.
Now come back down.
Is it gonna start fast?
Wow.
It's all over me now.
Let's go.
Oh shit.
Okay, listen, dude, we're fine. Look,
I'm gonna die.
there's not even a storm. There's not even a storm, dude.
Next.
Oh my. Dude, there's not even a storm. We'll be fine.
It's Dexter.
Oh shit, for real?
Touch it.
Bro,
Like-
we'll be fine.
Strange lightning bolts, like probably 2 or 3 blocks away.
Okay, listen. Look at me. Here. Look at me. Look at this pretty face. Would this pretty face ever lie to you?
Yeah.
Nuh-uh. Earth is round. That's a fact.
Okay.
We're the center. We'll be fine.
Dude.
We will be fine. Come on. We'll be fine.
We will not be fine.
Listen. If lightning strikes us, it's just a funny coinkydink.
Pickleback video.
Pickleback video. Nah, we good. Walmart. Walmart. I need Cheetos.
Oh, I think you'll survive without this.
No. Did we get picked up by a cat? That just happened. Guess we have to go back inside.
Yeah. Okay, quick action shot. Get like fall to the ground on my knees so I can get down behind me while I do this. Ready?